Once there lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest they had annexed in a tall, shady tree. The mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. One day the birds were caught in a storm. The tall tree in which they lived was blown down. As a result, the mother bird died. The baby birds were blown away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other bird landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. The two birds were separated. After some time the baby birds became big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He rode after a deer which ran deep into the forest. Soon the king lost his way. After a long time he came to the other side of the forest. He was tired, so he sat down under a tree near a cave. Suddenly he heard a big brown bird's voice. It cried out asking the robbers to come and take his king's jewels and horse. The king was afraid. At once he got onto his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Soon he reached the rishi's ashram. He sat down under a tree. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice welcoming him to the ashram. The voice asked him to go inside the ashram and take rest. The rishi would be back soon. The king was amazed to see another big brown bird in the tree which looked like the other bird outside the cave. The bird told the king that his brother had made friends with robbers. He talked like robbers. Just then the rishi entered the ashram. He welcomed the king and asked him to go inside and take rest. He requested him to share his food. The king told the rishi the story of the two birds and how each had behaved differently though they looked alike. The rishi told the king that a person could be judged by the group of people he was associated with. He explained that the bird living with the robbers talked about robbing people. Another bird lived in the company of good people, talked about welcoming the people to the ashram. He told the king that he would tell him more about that place and those words.